This is funkyworms, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run the Avira Rescue System. And this is a Linux boot CD that allows you to run the Avira antivirus scan from outside of Windows. And you'll want to do this if your computer becomes infected with a virus that keeps you from running your antivirus tools inside of Windows. So some viruses, mainly the fake antiviruses, will completely cripple your computer. They'll disable your task manager, possibly even disabling Windows Explorer. They'll disable your antivirus, your Malwarebytes, and will keep you from installing and running those applications. So if we run an antivirus outside of Windows from a boot CD, then we'll be able to scan our system and clean those files up, and then load up Windows normally and run our regular anti-malware products. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to the Avira Antivirus Rescue System. It's available at freeav.com. I'll include this link in the info, and click download. You'll download this rescue system common.exe and click save the file. I've already downloaded it to save time. It's called, you'll see here on my desktop, rescue system common.exe, and we'll double click it and it'll give us the option of burning a CD, and we want to do that. So we'll go ahead and burn the CD now. Obviously you'll need to put in a blank CD to your CD drive before you click burn CD. Okay, hopefully you'll get this message that says the CD has been created successfully. Just click OK, and now you'll want to take that burned CD and put it in the CD-ROM of the infected computer and boot from it. Now if you're unsure on how to boot from a CD-ROM, what you'll do is turn on the computer. At the first screen that pops up, you'll usually get a message at the bottom of the screen or at the top of the screen that says press a certain key, usually F12, maybe F10, F8, or delete to select a boot device. You'll press that button and select your CD-ROM, and then you'll boot from your CD-ROM. If you don't see anything that says that, you should see something that says press a key to enter your setup. It may be called BIOS setup or just simply BIOS. Press that key. That will take you to your BIOS setup screen, and once you're in there, navigate to the boot tab, and in the boot tab you should see some different devices called hard drive, maybe hard disk, and CD-ROM, USB device, and maybe network device. Move the CD-ROM device to the top of the boot order. Save your changes and exit. Once you do that, your computer should boot from the Avira Rescue CD. Okay, if you've done everything correctly up to now, you've put the CD in the CD-ROM of your infected computer and boot it up, you should get to this screen. This is where you choose what you want to boot from. And the best option is to select option 1, boot the Avira Rescue System. If you wait, I believe it has a 10 or 20 second timeout. If you don't select anything, it'll automatically select option 1 for you. So select option 1 to continue. Okay, this is the Avira Rescue System main screen. As you can see, it's in German. We'll need to select English by clicking the British flag here. and then go to update to make sure we have the latest virus definitions, and click yes to update the scanner. Okay, you should get this message that the update completed successfully. And next, go to the configuration tab. We'll want to scan all files, and so leave that ticked under scan mode. Under action at malware discovery, we'll want to try to repair the infected files, and then check rename files if they cannot be removed. Okay, and all of the risk categories, we're going to leave them checked. If you have a lot of games on your computer, you might want to uncheck this, but that could result in some misses, false negatives from the scanner. But this should be pretty good about not scanning and not replacing actual games. And if it does, it's not going to remove the file completely. It'll just rename it, so it'll still be intact. So I recommend leaving all of these checked. And you can leave all of this as default. This will scan all devices on your computer. And next we go to the virus scanner. And we're ready to scan. And just click Start Scanner. So just let the scanner run, and you'll get a list of any detections in this screen right here. And most likely it won't be able to repair them, it will just rename them, and then you'll be able to clean them up. Sorry about that. And you'll be able to clean them up when you reboot your computer into Windows. So after the scan finishes, you can remove the Avira Rescue CD from the drive and then reboot your computer. Okay, so hopefully you're able to reboot your computer and it's somewhat usable now. I would still not consider it clean. You should run all of your regular antivirus scans, such as the Windows Avira scanner, Malwarebytes, anti-malware, and super anti-spyware. But the files that were found by the Avira Rescue CD will be renamed. So a virus, if the original was virus.exe, it'll be renamed to virus.exe.xxx. So you can scan your computer for all of the .xxx files. For example, if it found a game file of yours that you want to use and you believe to be clean, you can simply remove the .xxx from the end of it and the file will be intact. But you can also scan your computer for these .xxx files to see the complete list of infection on your computer. But the regular Windows Avira scan is going to find the files even if they're labeled .xxx. So you don't have to rename them for them to be discovered as viruses. Malwarebytes will also find them, and as will super anti-spyware. So that is how to use the Avira Rescue CD and get your computer running again. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment or find me on the 2+2 forums.